this is Sid and welcome back with another video. I hope you are doing well. So in this video I'm going to tell you how you can select a blog theme for your website without downloading from the Google. Just get from the dashboard from the WordPress. It's so simple, and how you can customize it and how you can add any blog in your website. So let's start. Log into your dashboard. What you have to do is simply go in appearance, and definitely you need a theme first. So click on add new, and you have to do one thing. Click on latest, and from here, so here is the one thing. If you don't get the theme according to your niche, pick a good theme and apply your niche on the theme. Basically, theme is just a prepared thing that not obviously provide you totally things, but something. If you find a good theme, what you have to do, apply your theme. Obviously you don't lie with default theme. Obviously you have to upload your data on the theme, so just pick a good theme and upload your data over here. So from here you can see this one is a okay, this one is not good. So you have to search, you have to look, you have to give time to find a good blog theme. Okay, so here you can see that this one is a fitness website. Okay, you can choose it if you want to load a theme, and if you want to launch a website. Otherwise, if you don't want to, just skip it and select for a blog website. Okay, just give some time and take a search. So here you can see that this one is a good, this one is a online store. So you can see that it's one a good theme, and you can also search here about the theme. For example, you have to obviously give time to search. Your search should be good, and just have a look again and again. Keep searching, don't back out. So definitely you find a good theme. Search in latest, or search in popular. Okay, blog themes. Click on blog themes and find some theme from here. Okay, this one is good. You can see that this one is a good. You can select and upload your data over here according to your choice. So I don't think so this one is a bad, and if you want to do, you can do that. We already logged this one. This one is also good. Okay, you can select this, and okay, so this one is also good. I think we already see that one. Okay, so here you can see that this one is also very good. What you have to do, just select and customize it and upload your data over here. Okay, this one is also good. Select any one and just custom. For example, I select this one. I just click on install and start installing. As it install, just activate it. Okay, this one is activate. Let's have a look. So this is our website, how it's look. Okay, so what you have to do, click on edit site. As you click on edit site, if it's appear like that, click on home and browse all templates and click on site. Okay, and it will appear like that. If you click on this, this one is a header. Here you can upload your logo. Here you can write your website name, and this one is navigation menu. I already told in my videos how to add the menu and some menu. Check that video, otherwise this video gonna too long. This one is the social icons, how you can add the social icons. I already upload the videos. So how you can edit text, this one is video. You can replace the video. I already explained how to do this. This one is button, how you can link and unlink that. Okay, this one are images. I already told that how you can customize this. And this one is cover, how you can do that, how you can write, how you can edit it. I already told in my videos. Check the videos done by done. And this is already created home hover effects. Okay, so I already told in detail how you can customize this one. Okay, just so now I already told how you can create the most important pages step by step, like term and condition, privacy policy, about us, and much more pages. Check out my channel, you will know how to create the pages. And now how we can create our blog. Click on new, and as your cursor is on new, click on post, and a new post is created. Just you have to do, write your title over here. For example, my title is fitness. Okay, so I just publish it. Just have a view. Okay, so this is my blog. This is my blog page. You can customize the page according to your choice. If you don't know how to customize this, I already upload a video about this in detail, that how you can write a blog about this. So you can check from here, from the channel. I also give the link of the video in the description, so you can check out from here. Just click on edit post and you can edit from here also. Okay, from this side you can select the category, what category you want to add. If you don't want to unauthorized category, you can uncheck this, and if you want to add a new category, you can add. From here you can select the author. Okay, and from tags you can, if you want to add any new tags you can add. If you want to add any feature image you can do that. Okay, so and from here, if you want to write anything, if you want to write any page, anything like that, so you can do that. And from here you can have a preview look how your website is looked. Okay, as I do that, the unauthorized is unchecked. Let's have a look. So you can see that our unauthorized page is that, and this one is about us. Let me show you in coin pages. Okay, they already create some privacy policy page. Let's have a preview. So this one is a privacy policy page that they also auto created. Don't upload it, upload it. I already told how to create this page, so you can check from that side. Okay, and if you want to know about this, what is this, you can see that the recent post, fitness, hello world, and categorize unauthorized, and the tags over here, we don't upload any tag. Okay, So these are the recent posts. Let's see. Go in post and have a look what post we have already created. We have this fitness post and hello world. So this is the hello world. Okay, we don't create this. This is auto created. If you want to delete this, you can delete from here. You can go in here and just trash. As you click on trash, it will trash, and just refresh it. You will see that there is no more. As you can see that there is no more recent post of hello world. Okay, so this one is about us, that is on our home page. So, and this is about us section. And if you do any changes, if you create an about us page and do any changes, it will automatically so they automatically created the changes over here. They automatically the images you upload in about us pages, they automatically create or automatically corrected this data and this image also. So because basically the blog website is connected from each other pages, they automatically do all the things. uh, so this is how it's work. You can how you can select your page, how you can select your blog theme, how you can edit them. I already told you, and I already told you how to get the data of blog website and each and detail in each videos, in detail videos. So check out that videos. If you have any query and question, ask me in comment. Don't forget to subscribe. See you in another video. Take